What is up, my beautiful mates of YouTube? My name is Aussie Marcel, and in today's video we're going to be looking at a couple of Sukin natural deodorants. Before we look at these, if you like the content I make here on YouTube, please consider hitting that big red button down below, subscribing to the channel, and also, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you dislike it, give it a thumbs down. So let's talk about some fragrances. Sukin are one of my favourite brands. They're Australian, they're vegan, they're cruelty-free, and they're made generally with all natural ingredients. These natural deodorants do not contain aluminium or aluminum if you're American, which is terrible for your long-term health. Excessive use of aluminium in your antiperspirants can cause degenerative disorders like Alzheimer's and dementia, and that's something you really want to try and avoid. You know, I've seen the damage it can have on people, and it's just no good, so it's best to avoid it. Best to incorporate more natural ingredients into your life anyway. So these natural deodorants we're looking at today, we've got Fresh Cotton and Ocean Mist. Fresh Cotton, prevent odor the natural way with a refreshing and clean natural scent of cotton and lily. I'll just show you the front of the label here. And Ocean Mist, naturally prevent odor with a revitalizing scent of mint, violet and driftwood. Both of these are good for sensitive skin types as well, so if you do have sensitive skin, these are going to be good for you. No harsh chemicals or anything like that. In fact, on the back, no petroleum, no synthetic fragrances, no animal derivatives, no artificial colors, no harsh detergents, no sulfates, no parabens, no silicons, no EDTA, etc. I've left out the ones that I may mispronounce during the reading of them. So let's give Fresh Cotton a go first. Good atomizer. Very fresh, reminds me of laundry detergent and fresh linen. And there is a floral, white floral quality to the fragrance as well. I think this one does lean a little more feminine, but obviously both of these are going to be unisex. It's pleasant, inoffensive, fresh, clean. It does remind me a little bit of Nautica Classic. It has that same sort of soapiness and that same sort of laundry detergent quality as well. Now let's smell Ocean Mist. Again, solid atomizer. This is definitely the more interesting of the two fragrances. You do get some of that fresh spice from the mint, and it does have a woodiness. It's not quite as powdery as I thought it was going to be with those violet notes. It is similar to the Fresh Cotton, but this is the more masculine of the two. So if you're a bloke and you're looking for a more masculine scent, you might want to check out Ocean Mist. Or if you're a Sheila and you want to check out a more natural feminine smelling product, then Fresh Cotton may be for you. But again, these are both unisex scents. And there is a natural smelling one that is fresh, clean and a little spicy and may appeal to somebody that's looking for a truly neutral scent. Either way, I love the brand, they're fantastic, and I highly recommend checking these out. I got them both for $4 each at my local IGA Ritchie's. So if you have an IGA or a Ritchie's near you, if you've got a spare moment in your day and you're looking for a new deodorant or antiperspirant, definitely check one of these out. It's not going to be quite as effective as an aluminium-based antiperspirant, but it's much better for you and much better for the environment. Of the two, my pick is the Ocean Mist, but the Fresh Cotton is no slouch either. So, if you've ever worn any of these before, let me know in the comments below. Let me know what your rotation is for your antiperspirant or deodorant. And until the next video, my name is Aussie Marcel, and I'll catch you guys around.